Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can install and activate an eSIM on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, go to your settings, go ahead, go back and go back again and go on top and go to this option of Cellular right over here. Scroll down a little bit and tap on add eSIM. Once you do that, you should be able to go ahead, tap on use QR code. So what you can do is first you can scan a simple QR code. You have to tap on use QR code, point your phone to the camera and add the code of your eSIM. Simply go ahead, scan it, and that should lead you to another step. Complete that up and simply go ahead, set up your SIM like that. Next is via app or link. If you bought your plan online, open your carrier's app or click the activation link they provide. Then all you have to do is get the information and set it up using your phone. Right? You can also go ahead, tap on transfer from nearby iPhone. If you have an iPhone plan that you have taken, you can also go ahead do that. You can also see view travel options for the eSIMs as well. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.